Welcome. We're going to do buy and sell stock questions in the lead code. Today is a concept class. We are going to explain you how the question works and how do we solve it. The question there are four variations of the question: 1, 2, 3, and I think 4. And they are all same. The concept is completely same. It's just a variation of little bit variation from each of the questions. And let's say what the question is. Let's explain the question and we figure out. So given a day, given an array of stock prices P0, P1, P2, P3, Pn, you can buy, sell the stock on any given day or do nothing on a given day such that you have max profit. So let's say, and there are constraints like you can sell on a day or buy on a day. You can't do together. These together are not allowed. And the other constraints is you can do maximum number of 2 transactions and everything, but that's the second part. Let's see how we solve this question. The question is, let's say we divide it into the parts here, which is day 0, P0, price 0, day 1, price 1, day 2, price 2, day 3, price 3. Let's say there are 4 days, not more than that. So how do we start with the questions? On the day before the 0 day, when you don't have initially, that day you don't have any stock, the stocks are 0. So what can you do on day 0? You say I can do nothing and leave it as it is, or I can say I can buy the stock and my profit is minus P0. When I go from here to the next day, from the empty box, I can do nothing, which is again empty, or I can say I can buy the stock, which is now my profit is minus P1. In the second case, when we hit the stock buy on D0, we can do 2 parts again. We can say do nothing, which is still minus P0, and you go the other day, which you say I can sell the stock and make it empty. My price becomes P0 plus P1. Now let's go to the other day 2. What we can do? If you are in the first part, we can say do nothing again, or you can buy the stock and say this is my stock. So what is the profit in this case? This case is minus P2, this is still 0. In this case, what we do? We can do nothing, which is minus P1. You down other way, you can say sell it, and it becomes minus P1 plus P2, which becomes empty. Now in the again in the same part, we go down below. We can again have 2 options here and 2 options here. So if you look at the one thing interesting, these kind of matches the state before. So anything further down is the same as the paths merge. So you can do memorization here. Now how are we solving this? The only thing we have to figure out is, given all these paths, let's say this path we are tracing, this is one path, let's say this is another path. All we have to say is what's the max of, let me undo, what's the max profit, between all the paths P1, P2, P3, P4, and what's the max probability between P1 path, PT1, PT2, something like this, up to PTN. So this is the profit you have to consider, and this is the solution. That's it. So you are basically doing a tree traversal with memoization. So this is the concept of how to solve the buy and sell stock. We will go further ahead and actually solve the question one by one on the lead code with question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, and show how it works.